Hello dear student, welcome to the BM classes. This is Vishnu Mahananda, lecture in English, Piravati Women's College, Teresinga. Today I am going to discuss the question answer of the second approach of the plus 2 second year art science commerce on examination written by the Winton S. Churchill. On examination is very important for student. Examination for many are not a pleasant experience. Some students fear the examination, some students enjoy the examination. Examination is one of the most important for the student. The appreciation of the not only do wall make in the even the origin and the student and the NGS. Examination is one of the most important chapter of this approach. Today we discuss the oral question answer of the first unit of the autobiographical approach on examination written by Winton S. Churchill. Winton S. Churchill is one of the famous person of the England. The full name of the Winton S. Churchill is Sir Winton Leonard Spencer Churchill. He was born in the year 1874 and died in the year 1965. S. Churchill was the Prime Minister of the England twice, 1940 to 45 and 1951 to 55. Today we discuss the first unit, the question answer of the first unit of the approach on examination. Now come to the first questions. Does the writer like examination? I want to repeat it once again. My dear student, I am already said you in the previous classes that you must have to understand a question, then you have to start the answer. Whether the question in the present or future or in the past tense, you must have to understand first. As for the questions, you have to write the answer accordingly. Now come to the first unit of this approach on examination. Question number 1. Does the writer like examination? I want to repeat the questions once again. Now come to the question number 1 of the first unit, the famous autobiographical approach on examination. Now come to the first question. Does the writer like examination? Quote that line in support of your answer. My dear student, you have to understand the first questions first, then you have to write the answer accordingly. The answer will be the writer doesn't like examination. The line which says it is I enter the inhospitability is hospitable reason of examination. These examinations were a great trial to me. This line proved that the writer doesn't like the examination. Now come to the next questions. Question number 2. Mention the subject that were dearest to the examiners. The answer will be the subjects that here dearest to the examiners were Latin and mathematics. They said all questions out of this subject. Now come to the third questions. Question number 3. Which subjects did the writer like most? Which subject did the writer like most? The answer will be the writer liked most history, poetry and essay. Now come to the next questions. Question number 4. What reason does the writer give for his not doing well in the examination? What reason does the writer give for his not doing well in the examination? The answer will be the examination questions were set from Latin and mathematics. The writer had no knowledge in them. They set no questions from his favorable area, so performed badly in examination. Now come to the next questions. What did the writer write in the answer book for the Latin paper? The answer is very simple. In the Latin paper, the writer wrote his name and the number of the questions 1. Now come to the next questions. Question number 6. What was the sad spectacle for him? What was the sad spectacle for him? And the answer will be the writer shed tear in the examination hall. Teardrops fell on answer paper and create blots and smokes. This was sad spectacle for him. Now come to the next questions. Question number 7. What was the writer's position in the merit list for admission? What was the writer's position in the merit list of the admission? The answer is very simple. In the merit list, the writer was placed in the third or lowest division of the fourth or bottom form. Now come to the next questions. Question number 8. Whom does he give the credit of his success in the entrance examination, and why? Whom does he give the credit of his success in the entrance examination? Why? The answer is also very simple. Churchill gave the credit of his success to the headmaster, Dr. Weldon. He was a man capable of looking beneath the surface of things. He passed out Churchill even though he had written nothing. Now come to the next questions. Question number 9. What does we mean by I gain no more advantage from the alphabet than from the wider sphere of letters? What does we mean by I gain no more advantage from the alphabet than from the wider sphere of letters? The answer will be the name of the new boys were printed in the school list alphabetical order. So Spencer Churchill appeared toward the end of list. The writer humorously says, I gain no more advantage from the alphabet than from the wider sphere of letters. Now come to the next questions. Question number 10. How did he become the last boy in the class? How did he become the last boy in the class? The answer will be the Churchill was at the third position from the bottom. As the last two ones left school due to illness or some other cause, his names come to the last. Now come to the next questions. Question number 11. What is the costume of calling the role of at hero? What is the costume of calling the role at hero? The answer will be the costume of calling the role at hero was that when the role is called, the student flies past a master in the schoolyard and answer his presence. Now come to the next question. Question number 12. What is the costume of calling the roll at Eton? The answer is very simple. At Eton, the boys stand in a cluster and lift their hats when their names are called. Now come to the last question of this section or this first unit of the famous prose on examination written by the Winston S. Churchill. The question number 13. Why he is last of all? Why did people say so? The question is very important for the student. Why he is last of all? Why did people say so? He referred to the S. Churchill in this prose. The answer will be very simple. Churchill's name was at the end of the school list during the roll calls. It comes last and he flies past, so other comment why he is last of all. My dear student, now we have completed the oral question answer of the first unit of this famous autobiographical prose on examination written by Winston S. Churchill. If you like my class, if you want to join my live classes and the whiteboard classes, live question answer discussion classes, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon and select all to update with me. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see the next video, please like, share, comment. Thank you once again.